We are Renishaw and you are at IMTEX 2025 BIEC Bangalore. Our theme for this exhibition is automation for everyone. That means we have brought the simplest form of automation for you right here. We are showing our machine tool probing capabilities in an user interactive format, which is right here. You can just come and learn the basics of probing. We have also launched the world's smallest wireless probe RMP24. Not just that, we have also introduced our smart manufacturing data platform Renishaw Central, and we have also introduced and revamped our metrology fixturing kit. And not just that, the automation is in the air here. All our equators are set up as a shop floor automation. You can just come and see and have live demonstrations of our equators. Also, we help machine tool builders in building their machines, designing their machines. Our entire encoder product line, our CMM capabilities, everything is on display. So I invite all of you to join us in Hall 4A, booth B101.